If Gamma is stuck loading or not opening properly, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a few quick fixes that can usually solve the problem in just a couple of minutes. We'll go step by step, starting with the easiest solution first and moving through the most effective troubleshooting methods until Gamma loads normally again. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. First, let's perform a hard refresh. A normal refresh often reloads the page from saved data, but a hard refresh forces your browser to download a completely fresh version of the page. On Windows, press Ctrl and F5 at the same time while you're on Gamma. This is one of the fastest ways to clear out temporary loading issues, broken page files, or stale browser data that may be causing the app to freeze or fail to load. If Gamma is still not loading, the next step is to test it in an Incognito window. Open a private browsing tab in your browser and go back to Gamma. If the app loads normally in Incognito mode, that usually means one of your browser extensions is interfering with the site. In many cases, ad blockers, tracker blockers, privacy tools, or other active extensions can stop Gamma from loading correctly. If that happens, try disabling those extensions one by one, then refresh Gamma again in your regular browser window. Now let's clear the site cache and cookies. Over time, your browser can store old or damaged data that causes websites to behave strangely. To fix that, open your browser settings, go to your privacy or browsing data section, and clear your temporary browsing data. Make sure you remove cached files and cookies related to Gamma if possible. After that, sign back into the main Gamma hub and try opening the app again. This step is especially helpful if Gamma was working before but suddenly started loading incorrectly or showing a blank page. If you're still having issues, disconnect from any VPN or proxy service you may be using. VPNs can sometimes trigger security blocks, create connection delays, or make dynamic web apps like Gamma load slowly or fail entirely. Turn off your VPN temporarily, then reload Gamma and see if the issue is gone. If it works after disabling the VPN, you found the cause. The final thing you should check is the live system status. Sometimes the issue is not on your device at all. It could be a platform-wide outage or backend slowdown on Gamma's side. Visit the official Gamma status page and look for any service alerts, incidents, or degraded performance notices. If the status page shows a problem, the best solution may simply be to wait until the service is restored. So to quickly recap, hard refresh the page, test Gamma in Incognito mode, clear your cache and cookies, disconnect from VPNs or proxies, and check the live system status. Following these steps in order will solve most Gamma loading problems without needing advanced troubleshooting. If this tutorial helped you get Gamma working again, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.